Hello, my name is Jorge Gonzalez, and the purpose of today's presentation will be to show you how to create and edit a table in Microsoft Word for the Macintosh operating system. The location and display are quite different than the Windows operating system, so please keep that in mind. Before I begin, let's talk about why tables are useful tools when presenting information. Tables are very helpful for displaying and organizing data using rows and columns. Additionally, they are visually appealing to readers. They're great for showing comparisons between subjects as well. You can even create customized forms for a specific function. These are just some of the things that some people use tables for. The topics for today will be creating a table and editing a table. This presentation will focus on the basics of tables because there are too many other aspects that we will not get to. Okay, let's begin. We'll launch Microsoft Word. A blank document appears. The formatting pouch to the right of the document, this is also called a toolbox. This will be your very best friend right here. You will use this for just about everything. Up top here, you have the menu items. Right below that, you have a lot of shortcuts. These shortcuts can also be found in your toolbox. So just about everything can be found in the menu, some in the shortcuts, and your toolbox. All right, let's begin. Let's create a table. Click on Table at the top, Insert, and Table. An insert window appears. Insert table window appears. We will focus only on the table size, which has the number of columns and number of rows. Let's go 5 and 5. 5 columns, 5 rows. Leave that on auto and hit OK. Your table appears. When you hover over the table, a icon appears to the top left with 4 arrows. Click on it once, and it selects the entire table. We're going to give the table some text attributes right now. In the toolbox, go to the font, which is this very top one. Change this to Arial, and leave that at 12. We'll leave that alone for now. Each one of these little boxes within the table is called a cell. So you have each cell. If you double click on the very first cell, it selects the entire first row. This first row will be the heading for the table. So we're going to edit it a little bit. So in the toolbox, go to Table, which is the third one from the bottom. And we're only going to focus here on the bottom where it says Current Cells. Where it says Height on the up arrow, click it until it says 0.3. If you look at the table, it changes while you're clicking. To the right of it is Width. The width is automatic, so leave that alone. Right below Width, you have a line. Click on the drop down for a line. You have 9 options for a line. Now, align for table and alignment for text are very different. The alignment for text only has 4 options. There are 9 options for table. And all these are the 9 options. Select the very middle one, center, center. So that will center your text now. Alright, now we're going to give the very top row some color. So click on Borders and Shading. Under Pattern, click the drop down and go to Solid 100%. Right below it is Fill Color. Click on the drop down and click on a light blue color. And now your table is shaping up. Okay, now let's select the rest of the rows. Click on this very second one and drag to the very bottom right. And we're gonna adjust the height. We're gonna make that 0.25. And we're gonna go to align, click on the drop down, and we're gonna make that center as well. And actually, let's double click on the first cell again on the heading. Let's make that 14 and make it bold. Let's type some titles in here. And there's your table. Now you can just input whatever goes below each topic: movies, dramas, comedies, documentaries, musicals. This is a very simple table, but it works. In summarizing, we just learned how to create and edit a table in Microsoft Word for the Macintosh operating system. Please remember, creating a table is not very difficult. It's quite easy. Just take your time, have a plan for the proper display of the information. That's what it comes down to. My name is Jorge Gonzalez, and thank you for your time. Have a good day.